already in previous class we discussed about the integer concept. Okay, what are which numbers we can call the integers, how we can write the number line of the integers, we done. Comparing also we done that one. Once again I will be calling you comparison. Okay, whenever if you compare integers means positive numbers, negative numbers along with the zero. Positive numbers, negative numbers along with the zero are called the integers. Okay, here I will write a negative number. Okay, compare integers. Compare integers. Once again I will explain, very important for you to do the exercise 1. Okay, compare integers. How we can compare the integer? Whenever a positive number compared with a positive number, which is the bigger, small. Whenever if you compare positive number with positive number, already we know how we can compare. So I don't want to say this one. Which is the number lies first, that is the small. Okay. When comparing of the positive numbers, already we are familiar with those comparison. So go for the second comparison. What is the second comparison? Okay, according to that number, we will write that one. I don't want to discuss that one. Okay, positive number, if you compare negative number with a positive number, if you compare negative number with a positive number is bigger. Positive number is bigger, negative number is small. Negative number is smaller. Okay, third comparison. Okay, these comparison compulsory we have to get. Generally we can do the sums very easy. Okay, whenever if you compare positive number with 0. Whenever if you compare positive number with 0, positive number is bigger. Positive number is bigger. Smaller 0. This is 0, not O. Okay, 0 this is. Next one, fourth comparison. Whenever if you compare a negative number means integer, that one. Negative integer with 0. Then which is the bigger? Okay, here 0 is bigger. Which is bigger? 0 is bigger. Smaller is negative number. Negative integer is small. Next one, fifth comparison. Negative number compared with a negative number. Negative number is compared with a negative number. We have to remember which number lies on the first. Which number we can write on number line first. Which number write on first on number line. Okay. Which number lies on first number line, that is the bigger. Okay, second one is the small. Second one small. Okay, this is the comparison. Okay, once again look here. Totally 5 comparisons are there related to the integer. Positive number with positive number, we can decide which is the smallest, which is bigger. Okay, at that one I don't need to explain that one. These 4 comparisons are new for the 7th class students. Okay, second comparison one is if you compare negative number with positive number is bigger, negative number is smaller, negative number is smaller. Next comparison, if you compare positive number with 0, if you compare with positive number with 0, positive number is bigger, 0 is smaller, 0 is smaller. If you compare with negative number with 0, negative number with 0 means 0 is bigger. Okay, negative number is small. These comparisons will not change any time. Okay, these are only hard to follow. These will not change. Whenever blindly you can say which is bigger, which is small. Whenever we have the comparison like this. Okay, whenever we have two negative numbers, whenever two negative numbers are there, in those two negative numbers, which number we can write on number line first, or which number appear on the first on the number line, then that is the bigger. Another one is the small. Okay, we will do the second exercise one, second one. Already first one we completed in first previous class. Exercise 1. Exercise 1. Second one. Write the integers Okay, here what is the question here? Find write the integers between the pair given. Okay, here pairs are given below. Totally 3 pairs are given. In those 3 pairs, we have to write between integers. Between means which numbers lies between those. We have to enter. Below, choose. Question not completed. Choose the biggest and smallest. Okay, choose biggest and smallest. Now, what is the first pair? -5 -10. -5 -10. Okay, between these two numbers, how many integers are there? First identify. Okay, for this we can write it directly or we can use a number line. Okay, use number line here. It will be easy to you. 0. Okay, what is the first integer here? One integer -5. Another integer -10. That means at one place we can write -5. -5 after we can write up to -10 numbers. -6, -7, -8. Okay, to reach -10 we travel towards the left side. To reach -10 from -5, to reach -10 from -5 we have to travel towards the left side. That's why I written 5 here. Later 6, 7, -7, -8, -9, -10. Okay, what is the question here? Between integers. Between means given pair numbers don't consider. Okay, which are the given here? 10 given, 5 is given. Between these two numbers means remaining numbers we can take. Okay, between integers. Between integers of -5, -10 equal to -9, -8, -7, -6. Okay, in these numbers, smallest, biggest also you have to identify. Biggest. Biggest means which is here we have -9, -8, -7, -6. Biggest means which number lies first on number line. Okay, in these numbers which one we can write first? First we can write -6 only. Okay, later only we can write remaining numbers. So which number we can write first? 6. So 6 is the biggest. Okay. Next is smallest. Which is the smallest? Which is the smallest? 9. By compared to all the numbers, 9 will write last. 6 -6 after, 7 after, 8 after, only we can write 9. So -9 is the smallest. -9 is the smallest. This is the one way of doing this sum. Okay, we can do this sum without number line also. But if you use number line, it is very easy to write the answer very easy. Okay, go for the next question. In this one, third one I will discuss. Okay, one more sum is this -3, 3 -2. Do yourself. 3 -2 do yourself. I will explain another one. Third one. Second one I will not explain it. Second one sum it is. Do your own. Do your own. I will explain third one. What is the third one? -8 to 5. -8 to 5. Okay, take a number line. Okay, take a number line. 0 you have to take. Okay, here one negative number, one positive number. One negative number, one positive number given. One negative number, one positive number given means what is the positive number here? 5. Whenever if you want to write positive number means try and move towards right. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, up to 8 also we have to write. Number line. Okay, -1. Wait, one thing remember, 0 after -1 only. Okay, -9 will not get. 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8. Okay, we have which numbers are given here? Integer 8, -8 given. Integer -8, integer 5 is given. Between integer means the circle number between. How many integers are there? Those are called the between integers. Between integers equal to. Between integers equal to -7, -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Indeed, which is bigger? Biggest means positive number only. Already we know because we here some negative numbers are here, positive numbers are here. Blindly we can say positive numbers are bigger. In the positive numbers also which is bigger? 4 is bigger. In negative numbers, minus 7 is small. Biggest equal to 4. Smallest equal to minus 7. Smallest equal to minus 7. Okay, so we will do the next one. Third one. What is the third one here? Already in 6th class we learned about this concept. What is the concept? Okay, that is third one concept. Ascending order, descending order. Whenever positive numbers are given to you, we are familiar to arrange the numbers ascending order, descending order. What is meant by ascending order? Short form you can write AO means ascending order. Ascending order means arrange the numbers. Arrange numbers small to big. Arrange the numbers small to big. Next, descending the order means arrange the numbers big to small. Okay, arrangement of the ascending order, descending order. Whenever integers also same only. Arrange the numbers from small to big is called ascending order. Arrange the numbers small to big is called ascending order. Arrange the numbers big to small is called descending order. We will discuss the two sums related to this one. Each one we have 3 sums. Okay, I will explain 2 sums. Okay, third one. Write the following integers. Write the integers in ascending order. Okay, ascending order having another name. What is the name? Increasing order. Ascending order means increasing order. We have first question here. What is the first question? Minus 5 to 1 8. Okay, if you can write it directly, which is the smaller, which is the bigger, we can write it directly. Answer ascending order we can write it. Otherwise, use the number line. Okay, I want to use here number line. Okay, without using number line also we can write the ascending order. For our convenience, I am using here number line. Okay, draw a number line. Okay, one place at 0. Which are the numbers given? Okay, total integers means 3 types of numbers are there. One is the positive integer, another one is the negative integer, one is the 0. Okay, positive integers, which are positive integers, we have to underline. Okay, these two are positive integers. Okay, mark these two numbers on number line. Okay, 1, 2. Which one we can write first? 0 after we can write 1 or 2. 1 we can write. So 1, next 2. Negative numbers which are there, minus 5, minus 8. 0 after we can write in these two numbers. Which one is the first? Minus 5 we can write first or minus 8 we can write first? Minus 5 we can write first. Minus 5 we can write minus 8. Okay, in this list 0 is given. No, 0 is not given means that one remove. Okay, for our convenience only written there. Okay, now one thing remember, we are writing ascending order. Ascending order means move right. Ascending order means move right. Descending order means move left. Move left. Okay, for this I want to write ascending order. Ascending order means move right. Okay, we will do write ascending order. Ascending order equal to. Okay, move right. Move right means what is the first digit? Minus 8. Next digit minus 5. Next digit 1, 2. Completed. Without writing number line also we can do. That one no problem with that one. We will go for the next question. Second one. What is the second question? Minus 4, minus 3, minus 5, 2. Okay, these are the 4 numbers given. Arrange your number line. Okay, write 0 here. How many positive numbers are there? Only one number only. So 0 right side, 2 left side. In these numbers, which we can write first? Minus 4, minus 3, minus 5. Which one we can write 0 after? Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Minus 3 we can write. Minus 3. Later, minus 3 after minus 4, later minus 5. Which order we want here? Ascending order. Ascending order means move right. Okay, this is right, this is left. Left hand side, this is right hand side, this is left hand side. So we have to move. Ascending order means move right, move right. Ascending order equal to, ascending order equal to, okay, ascending order equal to minus 5, minus 4, minus 3. 0 is not there. In the given list 0 not there. So no, remove that one. 2. This is the answer. We can do another one. One more sum is there. We can do yourself only. What is the question? Third one. Minus 10, minus 15, minus 7. Arrange in ascending order. I don't want to explain here. Do your work. Next, fourth round. Descending order. Descending order means arrange your numbers from big to small. Okay, that means what is the question given? First question. Minus 2, minus 3, minus 5. These three numbers are given. Arrange your number line. Take a number line. Write 0. Okay, here any positive numbers are there? No. Only 3 numbers, also negative numbers. In these, we can write first a number line. Which number? Minus 2 or minus 3 or minus 5? 0 after. Minus 1, minus 2 we can write. So minus 2. Later we can write minus 3 or minus 5? Minus 3 we can write. Later minus 5. Okay, arranging numbers on number line. After that, already we know order of the numbers. Now we are writing descending order. Write the integers in descending order. Descending order means which side we have to move? Descending order means move left. Move left. Okay, this is the left, this is the right. This is the left, this is the right. Okay, descending order equal to. Okay, move left. Move left means this one you have to write. 0, minus 2, minus 3, minus 5. That is the descending order. We will second one. Do your own. Minus 8, minus 2, minus 1. Do your own. That one. I will discuss next one. 5. Third one. 5, 8, minus 2. 5, 8, minus 2. Arrange on number line. Arrange on number line. Okay, this sum to your own. This sum to your own. Okay, 5, 8, minus 2. Arrange in descending order. We have write 0 here. Okay, how many positive numbers are there? 2 positive numbers are there. 5, 8. 5, 8, which is we can write first on number line 0 after 0 after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 we can write. So 0 after 5. Next 8. Next 8. Okay, next number only one number is there. That number write 0 left side. 0 left side. Now I want to write a descending order or ascending order. Descending order. Descending order. Descending order means move left. Move left. Move left. Move left means descending order equal to minus 2, 0, 5, 8. Minus 2, 0, 5, 8. That is the descending order. Next question. Very, very important question. So many times in examination they ask you. By fifth round. Represent represent 6, minus 4, 0 and 4 on number line. Okay, this one we have to write on number line. Represent 6, minus 4, 0 and 4 on number line. Very important modality is so many times repeated in examination. What are the given number? Given integers. Given integers what are 6, minus 4, 0, 4. 6, minus 4, 0, 4. Okay, here if you observe here minus 4, 4. Both are same? No. This is the positive number, this is the negative number. Okay, take a number line. Take a number line. Write a number line. Up to 6 we have to cover here. Negative number side -4 you have to cover. Okay, 0. Okay, up to 7 you have to write. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This side we have to cover -4. -1, -2, 3, -4, -5. That means here listed number after number we have to write up to that one. Okay, now we have to cycle the required number. What are the numbers here? We required those numbers we have to cycle. 6 plus 6. Cycle that one. Next, -4. -4 where it is located here? It is only -4? No, this is +4. -4 means this is -4. Next 0. 0 it is. +4. +4 it is. Okay, this is the answer. Very easy question. Okay. Next go for the 6th one. Find the missing numbers. Okay, you can write the number line missing numbers. 6th one. Find the missing integers. Find missing integers. Okay, here for example like this given. Find the missing integers on the number line. Okay, 0, 0. Okay, I will not discuss all the sums. Do your own. 4. 8. -5. Okay, like this given some numbers are also given there. We have to follow that textbook question until 2 years old. Okay, I will explain what is the answer for this. Okay, find the missing integers. Here some number line is given. By giving the dots, they marked some numbers. Here 0. 0 after some dots given but number not given. We have to write the number. Now 0 after which number we will get? +1 or -1? +1. 1 after 2. 2 after 3. 4 already given. No need to write. 4 after 5. 5 after 6. 6 after 7. 8 after 9. Similarly, 0 after the left side. Left side means those are the negative numbers. Okay, 0 after -1. -1 after -2. -2 after -3. -3 after -4. -5 already given. Yeah, like this only you have to complete that Roman. 7th Roman. Seventh Roman. Find the temperature of 5 cities. Find the temperature of 5 cities of in India in particular day are stored in the number line. Okay, find the temperature of particular cities. Okay, here one number line given. On that number line, 5 cities temperatures are given. Okay, like this number line given. Okay, this is the temperature. Temperature of the number line given. Totally 5 cities given there. What are the 5 cities? Kasauli, Manali, Nainital, Ooty, Bangalore. Okay, by using those 5 cities temperature, we will solve the question. What are the questions are given there? We will write first. First question that Roman 5 questions are there. Temperature of each city. Write temperature of each city. This is the first question. Write the temperature of each city. Before going to that one, we have to complete this number line. Okay, 0 after some 0 after empty is given. Empty is given. Numbers not mentioned there. We have to write the numbers first. 0 after 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Next year 5 is given. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is given. 11, 12, 13. That means missing numbers already. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, this side also we have it. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, -8, -9. Okay, cursor is located at -9. Cursor is located at -9. Okay, now we can identify the each city temperature. Okay, Kasauli. What is the temperature of same? Whenever you write the temperature, we can write the symbolic form degrees per Celsius. Degrees per Celsius. Okay, degrees per Celsius we can write this one. Okay, Kasauli temperature is -9 degrees Celsius. Next, Manali temperature. Manali temperature is located at -6. So -6 degrees Celsius. Next, Nainital. Nainital is located at where it is located at -3. So -3 degrees Celsius. Next, Ooty is located at 15 plus 50. That means plus 50 degrees Celsius. Last one, Bangalore. In Bangalore, we is located at plus 20. That means plus 20 degrees Celsius. Plus 20 degrees Celsius. Next question. Which city have highest temperature? Which city have highest temperature? TEMP means temperature. I am not writing full form, short form I am writing. Which city having highest temperature? Can you say which city having the highest temperature? This is -9. This is -6. -3 plus 15 plus 20. In this, which is bigger? 20 is bigger. So Bangalore is having the highest temperature because plus 20 degrees Celsius. Plus 20 degrees Celsius. No need to write this one. Bangalore you can write. Next, third question. What is the third question given in your textbook? Which city is having temperature less than 0 degrees? Third question. Which cities have temperature less than 0 degrees Celsius? Okay, which city is having less than 0 degrees Celsius? Less than 0 means all are which number? Less than 0. Less than 0 means we go for the left side. More than 0 or greater than 0 means we go for the right side. Less than 0 means negative numbers. Which are the negative numbers here? Okay, these are the negative numbers. Okay, how many cities are there? 3 cities are there. What are those? Kasauli, Manali, Nainital. Kasauli, Manali, Nainital. These having a negative temperature, that means less than 0. Nainital. Last question. Which city is having more than 0 degrees? Okay, fourth question. Which city is fourth question? Which cities have more than 0 degrees? More than 0 degrees Celsius. More than 0 degrees Celsius means 0 right side. 0 right side. How many cities are there? 2 cities. Ooty, Bangalore. Answer is Ooty, Bangalore. Okay, this is the completion of the exercise 1. Exercise 1 completed for you. We will discuss exercise 2 next class.